Let's see what happens.
Zero feet altitude, 9 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 98% battery.
Here we go. The big flight. Yeah, it's way behind. Can't even see it. Fuck.
$199 feet altitude, 865 feet distance, 27 miles per hour, 93% battery.
Oh, I forgot to take the fucking lens hood off. Shit. Oh well. I don't even think I can fucking see it. I let it take off too slow. Shit. I don't even see it.
199 feet altitude, 3,230 feet distance, 33 miles per hour, 89% battery.
We'll see what happens. Good battery. Oops. God damn it, that glares. I forgot to take off the, this is the chaser here. Forgot to take off the lens cup, the lens protector. I don't know if I can see the drone. It's following it. It's about 40. I should have started them at the exact same time. I figured I'd let...
199 feet altitude, 2,644 feet distance, 18 miles per hour, 85% battery.
I figured I'd let one get a little head start, but it took way off on the other one. So I don't know. I can't see it on the screen, but maybe you can see it on when I see it on this. Well, this screen I can't see it on.
$200 feet altitude, 2,521 feet distance, 32 miles per hour, 80% battery.
I'm flying 10 feet above it, but about 40 feet behind it, I would say. And luckily for me, the wind is calm. So that's all good. I was worried about it getting hung up. Both of them. Well, this is the first of testing something new out.
$199 feet altitude, 4,525 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 77% battery.
Actually, they look really close to each other on the map, but that's a little deceptive. So far, so good. I hope I could see it on the. I wanted to get closer, but it's worth the shot. Yeah.
199 feet altitude, 3,596 feet distance, 16 miles per hour, 72% battery.
Trial and error sometimes. Got pretty good speed. Definitely plenty of battery. One's at 15, one's at 12. Which is kind of weird because they're both the same size and weight and everything. They're both at 12 now. The last two waypoints right now. We're going to go over the orchard and come back. Ah, the hood rats are out.
199 feet altitude, 2,773 feet distance, 11 miles per hour, 67% battery.
There's three of them about 100 feet away from me. Over the orchards now. We got, how much time we got here? 8 minutes, both of them. Both doing 15. Should do when I edit this video, I should do a split screen. I was going to bring my son with me.
199 feet altitude, 2,249 feet distance,
But
16 miles per hour, 63% battery.
Wow, there's a ton of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hood rats right in front of me, about 100 feet away. As soon as them drones come back overhead, they're going to take off. You're making the last turn now. Yep. I ran into the woods again. All right. They're almost home.
Feet altitude, 583 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 58% battery.
Here comes number one. Number two's right behind him.
Mission ended.
All right, I'm gonna auto man. I'm gonna wait till I get number two in sight, which he's right there. Oh shit, he was about a fucking half mile away. All right, I'm gonna auto land first one.
199 feet altitude, 0 feet distance, 1 miles per hour, 54% battery.
Pissed me off, I left that fucking cover on. I'm gonna auto land the other one now. I always do something wrong. Perfect landing like a little baby.
-1 feet altitude, 3 feet distance, 0 miles per hour.
Wait for number 2 to come down.
Battery.
Oh, coming right down where it's supposed to. Come to Papa. Well, that worked perfectly, I'll say. I'm going to stop this recording and do another one. I'm going to go see if I can get close to the hood rat over there. Alright, nice flight. There was 2 flights, 2 drones at the same time, which is I'm not supposed to do. But I wasn't flying them physically. They were remotely controlled by, whatever it's called. Alright, indeed about.